Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog where I'll be sharing with you how I tackle the toy chaos in our small 1 BHK living space. With two energetic boys, toys scattered everywhere was a daily struggle. So I turned to Amazon and found the perfect solution. A 4-tier stackable toy organizer with wheels. Let's dive in and see how this organizer transformed our living room. The bins are impressively spacious, fitting a surprising number of toys in each. With 4 tiers, I was able to neatly categorize and store all of our toys, making cleanup a breeze. And you're absolutely right, it's not just for toys. The versatility of this organizer allows us to store a variety of items, from books to medicines and more. It's surprising how much you can fit into it until you actually start filling it up. But the utility doesn't stop there. The topmost bin isn't just for toys. I have repurposed it to store diapers, combs and powder for my kids, maximizing the organizer's functionality. What I love most is how seamlessly it fits into the corner of our living room. Thanks to its stackable design, it's like it was made for our space. Taking a look at the before and after shots, it's truly remarkable how this organizer has transformed our living space. Our chaotic mess of toys has turned into a tidy, organized space, thanks to its generous storage capacity. This organizer proves to be a practical solution for keeping our home neat and clutter-free. It's definitely more than just a toy storage solution, it's a versatile storage solution for any household. In conclusion, this toy organizer has been a game changer for us, providing ample storage, organization, and even versatility. If you're struggling with toy clutter like we were, I highly recommend giving this stackable organizer a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.